students and...
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And a good Tuesday evening to everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking the end of this heat wave as we head through the day tomorrow. But that does come with a chance of some showers and storms during the afternoon, although we do need that rain. So we'll take it while we can get it. Let's take a live look right now, though, at downtown Utica, where currently it is still 92 degrees. And the dew point is in the lower 60s right now, thanks to a southerly wind at 6 miles an hour. So actually the dew point is exactly the same, 92. The official high so far today, 93 degrees. Camden is still at 93 right now. Most of us in the valley are into the lower 90s, but you go down toward the south and up toward the north with that southerly breeze around 5 to 10 miles an hour. It's still in the middle and upper 80s, as you would expect there, and as we were forecasting for today. In case you were wondering how many 90-plus degree days we've had so far this summer, we've had 10. That includes today, that high of 93, and that's 3 in a row. Sunday, yesterday, and today of 90-plus degree heat, so that's our first official heat wave of the summer of 2025, and the average amount of 90-degree days that we see in a year is 5, so we've obviously doubled that, and I don't see any more in the or we may have one more, I should say, in the 7-day forecast, but definitely not a heat wave. We are tracking a prefrontal trough making its way from the Chicago area up toward Michigan right now with some heavy rain and some lightning, and that's going to be heading our way late tomorrow morning into the early afternoon before the front actually moves through the area on Thursday morning, and that brings the humidity and that 90-plus degree heat with it. Right now, across our area, we just have a few mid and high-level clouds, as well as a dying thunderstorm over the last hour or two just to the east of Rochester. But other than that, it will be mainly clear overnight tonight, with temperatures dropping from the 80s and 90s back into the 70s and into the upper 60s to lower 70s under mainly clear skies during the overnight hours. Tomorrow, there will be even more humidity than there is today. So even though temperatures themselves will be around 82, 83 degrees downtown Utica, it'll feel more like 86 with the added humidity, and we'll be keeping things dry through the late morning hours. It's not till late morning into the early afternoon that we could see some of those downpours. And in some cases, as I'll show you coming up here in just a second, many of us will see a beneficial rain, but some of us might not see any of it at all. And we might see an isolated thunderstorm threat even into Thursday morning as well. So you'll notice that there are spots where you're not seeing much, but other areas seeing as much as half an inch to an inch of rain. Tomorrow, you'll want to get the mowing done in the morning. Same thing Thursday afternoon with the rain sandwiched in between. But you're good to go Friday and Saturday with the mix of sun and clouds both days, and actually a lot of sunshine both days. More clouds as we go through Sunday, but still low humidity with us, and then another front moves through Sunday into Monday, and that leaves us with more seasonable conditions heading into next week. Thomas, back to you.
Thank you, Jordan. Still to come on Eyewitness News.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And welcome back on this Tuesday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking an end to our heat wave as we head through the day tomorrow with some afternoon storms. But before we get to that, we have to talk about the Perseid meteor shower that's heading our way overnight tonight. Not so much right now. Let's take a live look at downtown Utica, where we do have mainly clear skies. Currently, it is 76 degrees. Dew point is also on the rise at 66. So even though the temperature is decreasing, it won't decrease much from where it is right now. It'll be into the lower 70s during the overnight hours because the dew point will prevent it from dropping much, and there is a calm wind as well. So what you need to know about the Perseid meteor shower, what it is every August the Earth passes through the orbital path of Comet Swift-Tuttle, and that's not a reference to Taylor Swift, by the way, just so you know. But at the same time, we also have the bright waning gibbous moon will be an issue, so just beyond full moon, and that moon rose at 9:48 this evening. But the best time to view that Perseid meteor shower will be between midnight and 5 a.m. And you'll also want to look toward the Venus and Jupiter conjunction around 4 a.m. in the east-northeastern section of the sky on the horizon. In terms of what you'll be looking at for the Perseid meteor shower, again, it's peaking tonight into early tomorrow morning. There could be as many as 75 to 100, if not more, meteors per hour. However, because the waning gibbous moon will stay out all night and we'll have some clouds out there, you'll only see about 10% of those. But still, look out between midnight and 5 a.m. Before 3 a.m., you'll be looking to the north-northeast, and after 3 a.m., it'll be more of the east-northeast. So definitely something to keep an eye on. As far as the cloudiness right now, we've got some mid and high-level clouds working their way in from the west toward the east but no precipitation coming from those. As we widen the shot, you'll notice that we've got this prefrontal trough making its way through Michigan right now, and that'll produce some showers and storms during the day tomorrow. Back toward Green Bay, that's the cold front that'll head our way tomorrow night into Thursday morning, bringing less humid air and bringing the showers and storms to an end and a more comfortable end to the work week. We'll have those again, showers and storms during the day tomorrow, and some of those could linger into Thursday morning as well. Thursday afternoon becomes brighter and also more comfortable as we head throughout the day on Thursday. Temperatures also a little bit cooler on Thursday, but before we get there, tomorrow afternoon there will be some humidity. So even though temperatures themselves will be into the low 80s, it'll feel more like the mid to upper 80s with that humidity, and temperatures tomorrow evening will slide from the 70s back into the 60s with a westerly breeze around 2 to 8 miles an hour. Thursday will start the day with showers and storms and humidity, and then end the day with sunshine, and that sunshine looks to last for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as well, with temperatures all 3 days around 85, and then we'll see some humidity return Sunday, but then it comes to an end on Monday thanks to another cold front. Thomas, back to you.
Thank you, Jordan. It's back to the practice.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And a good Tuesday evening to everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking a break from this heat wave as we head through our Wednesday, but that does come with some afternoon showers and storms. And we also have to talk about the Perseid meteor shower heading our way tonight. Not so much right now. That'll happen over the next few hours. What we do have right now, a temperature is 75 degrees as of 11:11 this evening. Dew point is at 65, and that's been on the rise over the last couple of hours. We also have an east-southeasterly breeze at around 3 miles an hour. So because the dew point is coming up, temperatures won't drop much from where they are right now. So here's what you need to know about the Perseid meteor shower. What it is the Earth passing through the orbital path of Comet Swift-Tuttle, and it has nothing to do with the fact that Taylor Swift will be on the New Horizons podcast, or that she has a new album coming out tomorrow. Just so happens to be the name. The bright waning gibbous moon will also be an issue. That rose at 9:48 this evening. That's just because we're just past a full moon that happened on Friday. But the best time to view these meteor showers will be between about midnight and 5 a.m., peaking around 3 a.m. or so. And you'll also look for the Venus and Jupiter conjunction happening around 4 a.m. in the east-northeasterly sky on the horizon. So again, the best conditions will be between midnight and 5 a.m. It peaks again overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, and there could be as many as 75 to 100, if not more, meteor showers per hour. However, you'll only be able to see about 10% of those because of the fact that we'll have not only some clouds, but also that waning gibbous moon staying out all night. Before 3 a.m., it'll be in the north-northeasterly section. After 3 a.m., between 3 and 5, you'll look toward the east-northeasterly section of the sky. We've been closely monitoring the high-res satellite and radar for some clouds that are working their way in, mainly mid and high-level clouds that may also obstruct the view of those meteor showers from west toward east as we head through the next few hours. You'll also notice we have a prefrontal trough making its way through Metro Detroit right now, producing some showers and storms. That'll be with us tomorrow afternoon, and then we've got the cold front making its way through Thursday morning. That'll bring an end to the humidity as well as those shower and storm chances. So we've got, again, sporadic shower and storm chances during the afternoon tomorrow. Other than that, a lot of clouds. It'll become humid out there as well. Thursday, it finally comes to an end with a west-northwesterly wind. That'll knock down the humidity as well. Temperatures tomorrow will be around 82, but it'll feel like 86 with the added humidity out there. And then tomorrow evening, temperatures will slowly slide from the 70s back into the 60s, and we'll see those showers and storms. Thursday, we'll start with showers and storms and humidity, and then make our way up into the 80s with a lot of sunshine as we go throughout the day. And the sun looks to last Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, although we will see an uptick in the humidity once again. Highs around 85 all 3 days, and then Monday and Tuesday of next week looks seasonable with highs around 80. Thomas, back to you.
Thank you, Jordan. Still to come.